Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Barb Betts here from the Betts Realty Group. Number one question we're getting asked in the new year is what's the market going to be like in 2019? Here's what we expect. It's going to be different, but not bad. It's actually called normal. Days on market is definitely extending. We're seeing 30 to 60 days becoming normal in many markets. You know, when I started selling real estate in 2003, this was normal. You couldn't just put a sign in the yard and get multiple offers in days. The market's going to require a professional this year to help you guide and navigate through this market. If you are working with someone or considering working with someone who wasn't licensed before 2006, they've never been in this market. So it's super important to work with a professional who either has a team behind them who knows how to navigate this market, or they're super experienced themselves, as we are. Prices aren't necessarily going to do anything good or bad in the first 6 months. Honestly, what you have now is what you will have for a while. What is at risk is interest rates. Interest rates are already at about 5%. They are definitely probably going to be at 5.25 or 5.5 by the end of the year. But guess what? That's not a bad rate. Harold and I bought our first home in about 2001. Rates were 7%. So 5% is still very normal. What we're feeling is that rates have been so low for so long. Actually, artificially low. Check out quantitative easing. I won't try to explain it to you here. Google it. But 5% is actually a very good interest rate. What's our advice for sellers in 2019? About 6 months ago, a couple of years ago, conversations we were having with sellers was, what happens if you wait a few months? Will you get more money? That's not the conversation we are going to have in 2019. The conversation we're going to have in 2019 is if you wait a few months, you could get less. 2019 is going to require you to act when you are ready, because the market you have is the only market you're going to be guaranteed to have. The second thing we want our sellers to do is get your home prepared for sale. This means tip-top condition. Declutter. Yes, you need to paint. Yes, you need to touch up. Yes, you need to clean carpets. Yes, you need to replace carpets. And you definitely want your home in the best showing condition possible. Curb appeal is going to be super important. Buy a new doormat. Move everything into the garage that you're going to move anyways. Anything you can do to get your home ready for sale. You want to be the first one into escrow. You don't want to follow all of your neighbors into escrow. Advice for buyers in 2019, buy now. You can only be guaranteed the interest rate that you have today. And like we talked about, interest rates are going to go up. That does mean your payment goes up. But more importantly, we have some buyers who think prices are going to fall. Now, every economist that we follow and all the smart ones tell us that we're going to see about a 3.8% increase in sale prices in Southern California this year. That's pretty modest and actually pretty low for Southern California. So if prices continue to go up, even though you think they're going to fall, and rates go up as well, you are stuck with that rate for 30 years. That will increase your payment, and likely you will be able to afford less at the same time. So work with a lender you can trust. If you need a recommendation, let us know. Get your situation evaluated now so that you're ready to buy in 2019. The best advice we can give you for this market is you have to work with a trusted advisor. This is not the market where you can work with a realtor who is not involved, who is not educated, who does not have a network, and who frankly doesn't know what they are doing. This is not the market to work with a rookie or someone who just got their license a short while ago. If you do, make sure they have a team or a broker like myself that's involved with hand-holding them and helping them help you. We would love to be of service to you in 2019. If you know someone looking to buy or sell in 2019, they need to call us now. It's a great time to sit down and have a plan or have time to put together a plan and a strategy. This is the market where you want to be strategic. We want to be of service to you. We want to be a resource to you. We wish you all the best in 2019. And remember, we are always here to help you with any of your real estate needs.